It's Chicken Day, lovers! But before I dive into today's gist and recipe, I want to use this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to my subscribers. You all are my kings and queens. To everyone watching, liking, contributing to my videos, I want to say thank you so much. I wouldn't have embarked on this YouTube journey without your support. So I appreciate you all. Thank you. Now back to the gist of today. My lovers, let's be mindful of people that we welcome into our lives because we have two sets of them. One is to support and the other is to destroy. Now goes a lady. I will call her Joy. Joy used to date a guy I would call Philip, but they broke up. Philip traveled abroad and Joy met another guy. I would call him Odogu. Odogu is a businessman. Correct Igbo guy. He owns a successful business at Alaba Market, a very responsible and God-fearing someone. Oh. But the only problem is that Odogu is an illiterate. But Joy did not mind his illiteracy. Oh. My gender did not mind. After all, Odogu is well exposed and successful. So, should school be a barrier? Then a well-educated Joy went into a relationship with Odogu. They fell in love and getting married came handy. Trust Igbo men and taking care of their wives now. Odogu spoiled Joy with luxury and comfort. In fact, Joy was over comfortable in the marriage. And before long, Joy got pregnant and they had their first child. So years after the child was born, Joy told Odogu she wishes to further her education abroad. And Odogu supported her and the traveling processing began. She left the child with the father in Nigeria and began her quest for education. Come and see balling. School fees paid, apartment well furnished, nice car, steady allowances. In fact, Odogu took care of Joy's need. He wanted her to concentrate on her studies without stress. Time went by and she was done with her masters. Now it's time for her to return back to Nigeria. So she sent a couple of documents for Odogu to sign. And Odogu, with excitement and trust, he signed all the documents without going through them. That was the turning point of destruction. The document Odogu signed was first their divorce paper, and second, signing off the custody of the child to another man. And the another man in question was Philip. Yes, our ex. Before Odogu could realize the plot Joy was planning, it was too late. He started involving lawyers, but chai! This is so sad. Odogu did not deserve this at all. Why do you think Joy would do that to Odogu? Why did she trade her home and marriage for her ex? Hey, wow. What do you think, my lovers? Because I cannot wrap my head around this at all. Anyway, I thank you for watching this video to this point. If you want to catch all the ingredients I use in making this roasted chicken, you can check the video description. And please do not forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this. I love you all. I'll catch you all real soon. Bye bye.